Hey guys, back with you here to dive a little bit deeper into our Shocker turkey gear lineup. This is all purpose-driven gear to help you guys get the job done on your turkey hunts. It all comes in Mossy Oak OBSESSION, the official camo of the National Wild Turkey Federation. Two new additions to the line this year. First, cut and run turkey pack. This is a great pack for you guys that like to run and gun on your turkey hunts. You can wear it on your chest, you can wear it on your hip, you can wear it on your thigh for you guys that like to hang out in a blind. I'm gonna wear this thing on my chest. I love to run and gun. You can fit just about any of your turkey gear in here. You don't have to do any other attachments to the side for your box calls. It fits right in there. Nothing on the bottom. You can get all the turkey gear you need in this pack. Another new addition for this year, the Obsession Face Gator. Lots of cool features on this. A great addition to the Shocker lineup. Popular item from last year, the Obsession gloves. You can measure your spurs with this. Also some diaphragm call storage. The two items that we started this line with a few years ago: shotgun sling, more diaphragm call storage, and the shotgun case. This thing is compartmentalized to fit all of your turkey hunting gear in here. And on the front end, you got this turkey tape you can bust off. Measure your beard, measure your spurs when you get a turkey down. We got a few more videos coming at you here. We're going to go in depth into each one of these products, and we're going to give some of this stuff away. So next week, you're going to see a video on the cut and run pack, and we're going to give you one of these things. So make sure you follow Allen Outdoors on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.